Hi, my name is Felix. Welcome to my channel, Say It in German. Today I want us to learn the question words, as you can see on your screen. The question words in German, they are called Fragewörter. Fragewörter. So these question words are very important in almost every language. I promise you that in your own language, you must use these question words on a daily basis because they are very important. So today we are going to learn them in German. So let's begin. The first question here is wer. Wer. In English it means who. And the next one is wie. Wie. That means how. The next one is was. Was means what. The next one is wo. Wo. Wo means where. The next one is wann. Wann. It means when. Our next question is warum, or sometimes they say warum. Warum. That means why. The next one is woher. Woher. It means where from. The next one is wohin. Wohin. It means where to. Our next question is wie viel. Wie viel. That means how much. Wie viel. Our next one is almost the same like this one, but it has an E, so it is wie viele. Wie viele. It means how many. The next one is wie lange. Wie lange means how long. Our next question is wie oft. Wie oft. It means how often. Our next question is was für. Was für. It means what kind or what type. The next one is which. Now when it comes to which, there are three forms of which in German, depending on the gender of the nouns. When we reach the topic of German grammatic or German grammar, we will learn about nouns. Nouns are divided into genders, either feminine, masculine, or neuter. So if the noun is masculine, then the question, if the noun is feminine, the question will be welche. Welche. If the noun is masculine, the question is welcher. Welcher. And then the next one, if the noun is neuter, the question will be welches. Welches. And then the next question is when. When. When in English means whom. Whom. And then the next one, or the last one, is wem. Wem. That means to whom. So those are the question words. So let me go them through quickly again without the English translation, so that you may get it right. So let's begin. Wer, wie, was, wo, wann, warum, woher, wohin, wie viel, wie viele, wie lange, wie oft, was für, welche, welcher, welches, when, wem. Correct. So let's go to our next slide, and here we are going to use the same questions, but now with examples in sentences. And again, I like doing it in a dialogue form. So one asks the question, and the other one is the answer. So let's begin. Wer ist das? Wer ist das? That means who is this? And then you can get a response. Das ist mein Freund. Das ist mein Freund. This is my friend. The next question is wie. For example, wie ist dein Name? Wie ist dein Name? What's your name? And the response is mein Name ist Julia. Mein Name ist Julia. My name is Julia. The next question is was ist das? Was ist das? What is that? Or even what is this? Then you get the answer, das ist ein Auto. Das ist ein Auto. It means that's a car. The next question is, wo ist mein Buch? Wo ist mein Buch? Where is my book? And you get the answer, auf dem Tisch. Auf dem Tisch. On the table. Our next question sentence is, wann gehen Sie? Wann gehen Sie? It means, when are you going? And then you get the answer, ich gehe morgen. Ich gehe morgen. I'll go tomorrow. Our next question is, warum? Warum lernen Sie Deutsch? Warum lernen Sie Deutsch? Why are you learning German? You get the answer, ich will Deutsch sprechen. Ich will Deutsch sprechen. I want to speak German. Our next question is, woher? Woher kommen Sie? Woher kommen Sie? Where do you come from? You get the answer, ich komme aus Kenia. Ich komme aus Kenia. I come from Kenya. Okay, our next question is, wohin? Wohin gehen Sie? Wohin gehen Sie? Where are you going to? Where are you going to? You get the answer, ich gehe ins Kino. Ich gehe ins Kino. I'm going to the movies. Our next question is, wie viel kostet das? Wie viel kostet das? How much does that cost? How much does that cost? 100 Kenya shilling. 100 Kenya shilling. 100 Kenya shillings. So our next question is, wie viele Kinder haben Sie? Wie viele Kinder haben Sie? How many children do you have? And then you get the answer, ich habe 2 Kinder. Ich habe 2 Kinder. I have 2 children. Our last question is, wie lange bleiben Sie dort? Not our last question, but the next question is, wie lange bleiben Sie dort? How long are you staying there? 2 Wochen. 2 Wochen. 2 weeks. So let's go to the next questions. Wie oft, our next question is, wie oft? Wie oft gehen Sie schwimmen? Wie oft gehen Sie schwimmen? How often are you going, do you go swimming? 3-mal pro Woche. 3-mal pro Woche. Thrice per week. Our next question is, was für? Was für ein Auto fahren Sie? Was für ein Auto fahren Sie? What kind of a car do you drive? Ich fahre ein Opel. Ich fahre ein Opel. I drive an Opel. Our next question is, welche? Welche Farbe mögen Sie? Welche Farbe mögen Sie? Which color do you like? Ich mag Blaufarbe. Ich mag Blaufarbe. I like blue color. Our next question is, welcher Tag? Sorry, welcher Tag ist heute? Welcher Tag ist heute? Which day is today? And then the answer, heute ist der 10. Heute ist der 10. Today is 10th. Our next question is, welches? Welches Buch ist das? Welches Buch ist das? Which book is that? Das ist Mathebuch. Das ist Mathebuch. This is mathematics book. Our next question is, when? Wen suchen Sie? Wen suchen Sie? Whom are you looking for? Ich suche meinen Sohn. Ich suche meinen Sohn. I'm looking for my son. Our last question is, wem? Wem gehört dieses Buch? Wem gehört dieses Buch? To whom does this book belong? You get the answer, es gehört mir. Es gehört mir. It belongs to me. Very good. So those are the question words and the examples that I've just taken you through. So that's it for today. Be sure to join me in my next video, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon button. See you in my next video.